Face down in the gutter, won't admit defeat, though his clothes are soiled and black. He's a big strong man with a child's mind. Don't you take his booze away. Hey! He's been at it for years, drinking balls and beers. He's a hero to most he meets. Hey, hey, hey. Inside he cries like swollen eyes. This man is sheds no tears. Now his wife and kids sing a different tune as they worry about their daddy dying. Hey, hey, hey. But this arrogant fool breaks every rule of being nothing but pride that kills him. Can he listen? No he won't, that's how she wrote a beat never for the daylight shines. Cause the thoughts and breath of a million souls might keep this fool from dying. He's a legend in the bar with the free scarf with 1,000 bigger men. Hey, hey, now he fights and loses, got all the bruises when someone please step in. But this Irish fool's got a great big kind of case coming back into the ring. Hey, hey, hey. And the low-down circles where he holds his court. This man, he once was dead. Can he listen? No he won't, that's how she run a beat never for the daylight shines. Cause the thoughts and prayers of a million souls might keep this fool from dying. Can he listen? No he won't, that's how she run a beat never for the daylight shines. Cause the thoughts and prayers of a million souls might keep this fool from dying. This one still goes out to the Boston Punch and Skins, a rowdy bunch indeed. This one's for the Ducky Boys, all systems stop, punching, trouble, and the Showcase Showdown. This one goes out to Arthur McGilvery, Connie Gibbons, and Jimmy Morgan, ballroom heroes who are no longer with us. This goes out to one tough-ass, blood-smoking, carbon-drinking, decked-out, you know, this man, he's a legend in the bar with the free scarf with 1,000 bigger men. Now he fights and loses, got all the bruises, well, someone please step in. This Irish fool's got a great big, got a gig coming back into the ring. And the low-down circles where he holds his court. This man, he once was dead. Can he listen? No he won't, that's all she wrote a beat never for the daylight shines. Cause the thoughts and